everyone. This study entitled The Effects of COVID-19 Pandemic to the Shoe Industry of Marikina City. We all know that Marikina is known as the shoe capital of the Philippines for its famous shoe industry. It is the biggest manufacturer of shoes in the Philippines, producing almost 70% of shoe made in the country. The Marikina shoe industry, which has been the biggest part of the city's economy, it is struggling to sustain operation amid the prevailing coronavirus disease 2019 pandemic. The coronavirus pandemic has led the shoe industry in Marikina City, the Philippine shoe capital, to stumble with around 80% of shoemaker forced to have business operation. Shoemakers that have an online platform, around 20% were able to sustain operations. This encouraged the researcher to gain a deeper knowledge by conducting the study. The researcher aimed to identify the effect of COVID-19 pandemic to the shoe industry of Marikina City by conducting virtual interview and survey questionnaire using Google Form that seeks their demographic profile and questions about the effect of COVID-19 to the shoe industry. The answer may be treated as a collected data that may help innovate the workers' and business owners' knowledge upon knowing that strategy are needed. Statement of the problem. In this study, the researchers intend to describe the effect of COVID-19 pandemic to the shoe industry of Marikina City. This study will provide the ideas and thoughts of the shoe vendor towards the topic of effect of COVID-19 to the shoe industry, wherein they will be given and asked to provide the researcher with their answers. Especially, this research project seek to answer the questions. What is the demographic profile of the shoe owner in a small enterprise in terms of name, age, wages, salary per day? How is the effect of COVID-19 pandemic to the shoe industry in terms of competition in both local and export markets? In terms of quality, we all know that the Marikina shoe are well made because the material used in its creation are just the quality ones. Some consumers have pointed out that compared to China-made footwear, Marikina-made shoes last significantly longer. But some of the consumers mostly prefer the affordability. Consumers usually consider the shoe price before buying. People now prefer affordability over the quality of the shoe and what is more trending by the other countries. So that the researchers want to evaluate the effect of COVID-19 pandemic to the shoe industry in both local and export markets. What is the effect of COVID-19 to the shoe industry, to the local shoemakers, particularly to the small-scale manufacturers? In this research, we will discuss about the effect of COVID-19 on a footwear manufacturing. The main purpose in this research is to examine the impact of COVID-19 on footwear manufacturing and how it affects the local shoemakers. We will also look at how COVID-19 can affect the local shoemakers as well as their suppliers. What are the advantage and disadvantage of selling by using a new digital platform? In this case, we need to examine the advantage and disadvantage of selling by using a new digital platform or online selling. We will also look at how to use the new technology for your business in order to make sure that you have a good idea about the benefits of using an online.
Kilala ang Marikina sa isa sa mga may dekalidad at natatanging produkto pagdating sa sapatusan.
Let's go, carry on, to the